So now we're dropping the weight in. Anchor down on the lower leg. Just start where where it's easy to reach. I sink my weight down. So I'm not in the pointy bit of the elbow, I'm more on the forearm. Sink my weight down, and then I lean towards the head. And as I lean, I let my arm roll. So it's as if I've got something in my hand that I want to offer. That's nice. And then I move my position, I sink, and I lean. Start off with a nice floppy wrist, sinking in, nestle, that's a comfy place. Lean your weight, and then as you lean, just let your arm turn. So if you start off with that position, you've got nowhere to turn to. If you start off with it comfortably, you might find it easier to move your arm a little bit out that way, rather than have it close into the spine. So just find a nice comfortable, and then you want to find this an easy angle to roll. So if you can't see me, see if you can see me in the mirror, if that helps.
We'll swap later.
And we're going to swap.
Oh.
Yeah. And then you're going to get a turn. Yeah, you're going to get a turn to swap. So you want to be right you're onto the bulk of the thigh. You shouldn't have to hold her leg up. So stretch your leg out there, Molly. Great. And anchor back. So if I'm only leaning this way, then there's no extension. So you can anchor on the foot. You can anchor onto the lower leg. So the spare hand is anchoring the calf or the heel.
Sorry, I'm just trying to.
Yeah.
I can't see in the mirror. I just can't quite see.
Okay. Can you see? I'm doing this.
Okay.
It's actually easier if I look at you in the mirror as well, Molly. So I'm coming into the lower back. I'm joining the legs. And it gets to a point where it's a bit bony and I can't really lean anymore. I can say hello though. I can see, oh look, what's going on. So it's